Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will learn about to add the track decorator in LWC, how it is work. So let's see. So now I have a two field, first name and last name, and you can see here it can easily change. Okay, I can update this value easily. Okay, so you can see both field value are getting update easily. Okay, so this scenario you can find in the data binding video. Okay, let's go ahead. So come to the code here. So I have first name, last name, and on change I am calling a function on change function. So here I am updating a values. Okay, so now let's do one thing here. So first of all I will tell you what is @track. Okay, at the rate guys, @track is basically update your object values, means it can update specific key in object. Okay, so basically what it does, it can easily update a specific key in your object. Object means that you can say that JSON object. Okay, so when you are using a object and you want to update a specific key, so it can easily update the values. How? Check it. And without @track you cannot update your values. Okay, so let's see how. Now I am using first name, last name here. And also I am changing in the HTML user info dot first name, and also where it is, yeah, user info dot last name. And on change function I want to update this values. Okay, so let's go to here. I'm commenting this code right now. This dot user info event dot target dot name is equal to event dot target dot value. How we can use this, because my event dot target dot name is same as key name. You can check it here. First name, first name, last name. When the on change event will trigger on this element, on this target element, so I will get a name on which target element event is occurring. Then also I will get a value from the event. Okay, so event dot target dot name, like suppose that event is occurring on the first name, the name will be user info dot first name, the key will be the first name, so it will update the value on the first name. And target value, which value we are updating on the current target element. Okay, so let's see. I'm deploying this. and also either we need to update this. So guys, you can see I am not able to update my values here. Okay, but if I change my whole the object like this, deploy it. Now see what happens. I'm reloading. So you can check on change. When I change a value, it trigger a on change event. So I am calling a change function. It call a change function here. Then I am replacing the whole the object. So you can easily find it is updating a whole object, but I want to update my specific key like first name. So I'm undo this code. So how we can do this? Again, I'm showing you it is not updating. So guys, you can check it. It is not updating a specific key. In the object, update in the object values. Okay, update your object values. It means it can update a specific key in object. Okay, you can say that JSON object. Okay, so I'm using here at the tag decorator, and again I am deploying this. So guys, you can check it here. I'm able to update my specific values. Okay, so this is the work. Uh, eh, this is the work you can do by the at the decorator, at the track decorator. So and also this same thing is happening with the array. So at the track, let's see how it is work with the array. So the same scenario will happen with the array. I'm taking array here, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, I have an array and I am taking a div and I am using for each loop here. I am printing my array. Okay, reload it. You can find it arrays here. Now going ahead on change. I am checking button here for change the values. On change, I'm creating a function array change. Let's create function here. So on array change, I am changing my whole the array by 3 4. Okay, 5 6 value. Okay, so let's see again. I am changing my whole array, so it can easily change the value. Here is the button. Sorry, change array. I'm checking lightning. Sorry. Sorry. I'm using here on click event on button. You can check it. So whole I was replacing whole the array, so it can easily update. But I want to update a specific index in the array. So how it is possible? Like suppose I am updating a zero index with 5 values. So it can update or not. Let's see. So definitely it will not update the value. You can see guys. Now I am all here. I am using at the track with also data variable. And again I am deploying this. So you can see again you can check here is a 1 and on change it become 5. So, this is at the track. So you can say that at at the track is basically update your object values, or you can say that object or array values, means it can update a specific key or index in object or array. Okay, thank you so much guys.